Hi, it's Mike at Phase 1. Got another new product I'd like to show you today. Got a nice package that we've put together at the shop here. It's exclusive to the shop. We've put a few products together and we think we've got a really great package here. This package is 2 LED panels and a controller which will all come in a bag. These LED panels will be ideal for lighting a stage area up for a performer, giving us a flooding colour. The beam angle on these actual panels, just to give you an idea, is 120 degrees, so the beam angle is much better than an ordinary can. An ordinary can, say, you probably get about 25 degrees, some have got more than that and some are less. And that just gives you an idea of what flooding colour this is going to give you. The kit that we put together at Phase 1 here, it comprises of 2 panels, it's a controller, it's a plug and play item, it's not something you have to program up. It's going to be dead simple to use. If you want it to go blue, you'll just press the button, it'll go blue. You'll be able to directly access all of the colours. It's got some dimming on and it's got some nice chase features and a nice sound to light feature as well. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you the panels, we're going to let you have a look at them close up, and also we're going to put them on and show you them working. So what we've done is we've put all this kit together as a package here at the shop, and we've got it down so it'll come all in one bag. So it's a one bag solution. Inside this bag is the controller, the leads. We're going to put in power linking leads to link the 2 panels together. There's the controller, and it all comes in one bag to go. And we believe that this would light up a 4-piece band. It would also light up a duet, solo artists, or if you're just looking for a bit of flooding colour on your disco, this is just do the trick. It's a kit that we put together ourselves. Using a lot of the LED stuff, and we've had to play around with their controllers and things like that, and we decided when we got this one together, we decided we wanted to put this as a package. So here it is. It's dead simple to work, it's dead simple to set up. We'll show you all the bits that come in the kit in the next bit of the video. So what we're going to do is just quickly cut the video, and then I'm going to start unpacking the bag and I'll lay all the things out so you can have a good look at them. So here we are back with the LED panel kit that we've got here at Phase 1. Just showing you what actually comes in the pack. So that's the LED panel, we've got the Dmx leads, we've got the controller, we've got a power linking lead, we've got the other panel, and then we've got the bag that it all fits into. So like I say, that's what comes in this package. We're going to show you it working, but we're also going to let you see some close-ups of the panel and the controller. So what we'll do, we'll just cut the video again and we'll come back for some close-ups. So what you'll see at the top, you see there's red, there's green, there's yellow, there's cyan, purple and white. If you access one of them buttons, this is what your panels will produce this colour. We've got a red dimmer, a green dimmer and a blue dimmer, so you can actually do a bit of your own colour mixing. This actual controller is actually being able to be used with some other products from LEDJ as well, so you might find some things on this controller that will not work with this panel, but we found this panel is about the best one because it's like a generic controller that's trying to control quite a few different products from LEDJ. Right, we've got colour fades, colour jump, we've got an auto run, it'll do sound to light, got a blackout button, and it really is none of this programming it up, you'll just be able to use it straight out the box. Works with a power supply which obviously comes supplied. Just coming back to the back of the unit. Very simple. We've got where the power goes in, you've got DMX out which go off to your first panel, and we're going to be able to control this with the foot controller as well. We haven't got the foot controller in with the package, but you will find it on our website for sale as an extra, and it would fit in the bag as well. So, but we've not put it in. It's an add-on extra that doesn't come with the kit, but it will work with a foot controller, which you'll find details about on our website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the video there, and then we'll let you have a close-up of the panel. So there you go. It's using 10mm LEDs, the nice big LEDs. There's 336 of them. There's 108 red, 108 green and 120 blue. There's also 6 channels of DMX. This unit can also be used with any standard DMX controller. The outer casing is black and made of metal. It's not a plastic affair. Of course the perspex on the front is plastic, but the rest of it is of a full metal construction. It's got a nice big hanging bracket, which will also make it be able to be floor standing as well. As we come to the back of the unit, you can see there's the DMX in and DMX out. We've got our DMX functions there using the mode buttons, and we've got the IEC in and out, which with this kit we do supply a lead to power link the two together. This unit can be used on its own as well. It's got its own built-in programs, its own colour fades. There's lots of different things you can do with it without actually having it plugged into the controller, but it works. When you see us using it, you'll see that it has a really good ease of use with the control, and that's what we like. The beam angle on it is just superb. To flood an area with colour, I think this is just a great simple solution. You're going to end up with no dark spots on the stage. If you're just looking to flood an area with colour, I think this is an absolute great package. So in the next part of the video, we're going to get it set up in the shop. We might put it in a different area to the shop. We might put it right into the other side, not in the lighting room, and see if we can light up the whole of the front of the shop, which we'll come to in a moment. So I'll just cut the video there, and the next bit you'll see it working. Cheers now. Okay, in this part of the video, what we've done is we've gone into the side of the shop, and I just wanted to show you where we've set them up. So we've put one panel on a tripod there. As you can see, we're going to put the camera on a tripod there, and then we've got the second panel there. What we hope to do, give my camera work, I'm being my own cameraman today, what we hope to do is we're going to darken the shop down, right, and we're going to flood this area in colour. We're using the 2 panels. We're going to film from here. What we're going to do is I'll be able to access the panel down here with the controller on. Again, just forgive my handiwork with the camera here, right, and we're going to show you how easy it is to use. So all we've done is we've gone from that controller to the first panel, and out of there with the DMX cable to the second panel, and we've put them on some stands. These stands are available on our website, but they aren't actually part of this package. If you wanted to get in touch, if you're interested in some stands as well, I'm sure we'll be able to help you out. Next part of the video, we're going to darken the room down. We won't be working in pitch black, because I don't believe in showing lights in pitch black. So what we're going to do is we're going to, there'll be some ambient light coming in the room. So I'm just going to cut the film, one sec. So as you can see now, the room is quite dark and blacked out, no colour in there really. Just give you an idea of where we are in the room. Right, how dark and dismal that looks. Okay, what I'm going to basically do is I'm just going to flick away through a few of the colours using the colour selector, and we can select red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, purple and white, all just by pressing buttons. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go to red there, straight away. You can see that's just from 2 panels, and the difference between that going back to blackout is really significant. There's no dark spots there at all. Just forgive my camera work here a second. We'll angle up to the ceiling. We've got the ceiling all covered. Again, just to get an idea. Right, so the coverage on this system is really good. The beam angle on the panels, if you're just looking to flood an area with colour, is superb. Going to go now to the blue. We'll go to the yellow. Cyan. purple. We've got white. Again, just remember, go to black out how the difference is. So just to give you an idea of how much colour that is putting out in the room. It's quite a long room, this one. And if you consider that that panel is there, right, but the angle on it is still, you can see the actual line on the ceiling tile where it's hitting, so that beam angle is just absolutely fantastic. You know, it's even getting the wall right next to where it is. You can see where it cuts off and where it starts. You see the white door here? So you can see the white door, and then you can see a definite red line now. I'll just change the colour so you can see what I'm talking about. And that panel is facing, it's not facing towards that wall, it's actually facing down the shop. So it's getting all that, it's just, you know, I think for flooding a stage with colour, it's probably one of the best systems I've seen, and I love the idea that it's got a very simple control. So you could go in, you could stick 2 of these on the stand, you could just, if you wanted to go with a foot controller, which there is a foot controller available, it's not part of this package but we will be selling them, you know, you could use it with a foot controller. Just go through a couple of the other things now. There's on the controller we've got like a Dmx Mod, which I've got red there on a dimmer now, so I've got a dimmer just for red. I've got a dimmer for green, working on a dimmer. We've got a dimmer for blue, right, which means actually we could do some colour mixing of our own. So there I've put on about half red, a little bit of green, right, and I'm going right to the top with the blue. So you can do some you know, colours of your own. So you can do a little bit of colour mixing. We've got some auto run sequences, and we can get that to work in sound as well, and we can speed it up. And now I know this is a non-scientific way. Well, it's actually picking up off my voice there. So as I'm talking now, the controller's picking that up, and it's changing to the well, not to the music, to my voice. We can turn the sensitivity down, or we can have it right up, and now that's at full sensitivity, going through one of the chases it's got built in. I think that's a little bit too sensitive there. If we drop it down to there, it's picking up just nicely. It'll pick up to the beat. Again, forgive my non-scientific way. Again, that was with just a press of a button. We've got a colour fade mode, which we can speed up and we can slow down via this little controller. I've got the speed at about 1/3 of the way there. We can get it so it fades really quickly, fades really slowly. It just works, you know. It's just a cracking little controller, dead simple to use. It's a plug and play system, plenty of flooding colour. It's going to do what it says on the tin. This is available on our website, which is www.djanddiscostuff.com. In the package, don't forget, it comes with 2 panels, a foot controller, DMX leads to link those things up together, a power linking lead as well, and a bag to put it all in. I think that just about covers anything. Don't forget, if you've got any questions or you'd like to get in touch, by all means please do. My name's Mike, and that is the latest LED panel pack that we've got for a sale here at Phase 1 and djanddiscostuff.com. Thanks very much now. Bye.